Welcome back to Villa Famiglia, everybody. It is week 49, and this is our last video of 2025. I can't believe we're almost at the end of the year already. It is crazy to believe. So behind me, you can see that we have changed the color of the house. No, that is not the siding. That is the outsulation, the insulative wrap that we are putting on this home. This is a very high performance renovation we are doing for these clients. And this is going to yield a very comfortable home to live in for them into their future. So we're gonna look at some of those details. I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you. I will point out that this project is taking way longer than I am happy about, partly due to just site conditions and coming up and having to deal with things that were unexpected. But honestly, the dealing with the city of North Vancouver on this project has been an absolute nightmare. And I feel like it's maybe starting to get a little bit better, but holy smokes, it's just, you know, a fight for every single inspection. It's a fight every step of the way. And I don't understand why we are choosing to be so uncollaborative like this. Like, it is just a crazy way to be. So if you're wondering, as you're watching these videos, like, why is this video or why is this project at this state and other projects are further ahead? Well, they're in different jurisdictions and different issues. I mean, that said, there were a lot of other things that we had to do here. We did, don't forget, lift this house 1.5 feet off of the foundations and reset it. So, I mean, that took some time, just for the record. Okay, let's look in and have a look to see what outsulation is. In general, here are the finished details. Pressure treated strapping, bug screen at the bottom, siding is gonna go on top of this. Now, how does this all go together? Well, the insulation is just more or less temporarily put onto the siding using these screws. The insulation just needs to get on there, and it just needs to stay there until such time as we get the strapping on. And so what the insulation looks like is this. And again, like, these screws are only going 3/4 of an inch into, okay, maybe an inch, into the sheathing, right? And that's that. And that's all we need to hold this insulation in place. So that's 4 inches of graphite polystyrene, so GPS, and that is a great exterior insulation. So that goes on like that. Then the pressure treated strapping is held on with GRKs, which are obviously a much thicker gauge screw, and they have a tremendous amount of shear strength. Screws and nails have very different purposes. Like, if you see somebody framing structural walls with screws, fire them, unless they're GRKs. Screws have no shear strength, and what shear strength means is screws, they'll typically snap when you bend them, right? Like, if you have a screw in a wall and you just take a hammer and tap it up and down 3 or 4 times, that screw is gonna snap right in place. Whereas if you do that with a nail, the nail will just keep going up and down and up and down. I mean, eventually the nail will snap, but you're gonna be going up and down on that sucker for a long, long, long time because it's got more shear strength. So GRKs have a tremendous amount of holding strength and shear strength. And so the idea is that as this is going through the strapping and here, this all working together as a system, the forces, you know, once you start adding siding and whatnot onto here, is gonna want to pull this down. Well, because it's all working together as one symbiotic system, as it's coming down, it's trying to and wanting to compress this GPS. Well, this does not compress very much at all. And because we've got this large surface area here, it's actually not gonna compress at all. And with the shear strength of these screws, it just holds everything together. And so this is the detail for high performance construction. It just is. Always don't forget your bug screen, everybody. You don't wanna create homes for bees to nest. So we have Luis here from our friends at Coastal Exterior, and he is getting a corner cap put on for the outsulation system here, right? So this will get the GRKs through it as well. And this will be what goes on the corner here and holds everything and locks everything into place. So That's what's going on with this. Then there'll be more strapping on the other sides here, but these guys work their butts off and do great work. That's a wrap on today, everybody. Listen, I'm so grateful for you watching our content, listening to me yammer on all these projects and on the podcast, whatever else. Certainly would love for you to subscribe to the channel. Would love it if you'd like the video too. Also, if you have a second story addition or a renovation of any sort that you have been dreaming about, thinking about, praying for, whatever the case may be, we would love to be your partners in success. Phone us, find us on the web, reach out. We'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, thanks for watching and catch you on the next one. Bye now.